Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing a data-capable USB cable and connecting the controller to the console or PC. Make sure the host is powered on and Bluetooth is off to prevent wireless interference. Plug the cable into the Dualshock 4 port while holding the PS button. This primes the controller to be recognized as a wired device. Once you see the light bar activate, release buttons and allow the system to enumerate the controller. This immediate hard connection is the only reliable method for a steady link. Once the cable is connected, you verify that the system recognizes the Dualshock 4. On consoles, watch for player indicator lights. On PC, open Devices or Steam Big Picture to confirm. If drivers are needed on PC, accept automatic installs and restart the input service or app. You should test all inputs in a calibration or controller test screen to confirm analogs and triggers report correctly. If inputs respond, you now have a stable wired controller, suitable for gameplay and firmware updates. To finish, route and secure the cable so movement won't disconnect the Dualshock 4 during play. If the controller drops or isn't recognized, press the small reset button near the L2 shoulder for 5 seconds, then reconnect. This clears pairing states that can interfere with a wired session. If problems persist, swap to a known good data cable or try another USB port or host to determine whether the cable, controller port, or system is at fault. One troubleshooting tip: always test with a different cable first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.